Choosing the right machine can boost your coding journey with speed, reliability, and long-lasting performance. Best Laptop to Learn Coding provides responsive keyboards, solid performance, ample RAM, and reliable battery life for seamless development experiences. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. HP N4020 Laptop to Learn Coding. The HP N4020 laptop is a practical entry-level choice for beginners who want to start learning coding without investing heavily up front. Its thin and lightweight design makes it easy to carry between classes, libraries, or workspaces, while the micro-edge bezel and 79% screen-to-body ratio give it a modern, clean look. The 14-inch HD display is suitable for basic programming tasks, online tutorials, and documentation reading, offering enough clarity for extended study sessions. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor, Intel UHD Graphics 600 supports smooth video playback, which is helpful for watching coding courses and technical videos. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, performance is modest but stable for beginners who rely on cloud storage and online tools. Overall, the HP N4020 is best suited for students and newcomers who want a portable, affordable laptop focused on learning fundamentals rather than heavy development workloads.
Number 2. NIMO 1TB Laptop to Learn Coding. The NIMO 1TB laptop is a strong option for students and professionals who want smooth performance while learning and practicing coding. It stands out with its generous 32 GB DDR4 RAM, which allows seamless multitasking, making it easy to run code editors, browsers with many tabs, and productivity software simultaneously. The powerful 1 TB PCIe SSD ensures fast boot times, quick file access, and plenty of storage for development projects, datasets, and media files. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display delivers sharp visuals and accurate colors, providing a comfortable workspace for long coding sessions. With a solid metal shell and a clean, professional design, the laptop feels durable and well-suited for daily use. This model is ideal for learners progressing into more advanced programming, app development, or multitasking-heavy workflows, offering a balance of speed, storage, and visual comfort.
Number 3. NIMO 1360p Laptop to Learn Coding. The NIMO 1360p laptop is a high-performance machine designed for serious coding, professional workloads, and demanding tasks. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers excellent speed and responsiveness, making it suitable for software development, virtual machines, data processing, and even light gaming. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display offers clear visuals and wide viewing angles, creating a comfortable environment for long development sessions. The premium metal build adds durability, while features like a backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader enhance usability and security. Fast 100W USB-C charging is ideal for users who are frequently on the move. Overall, this laptop is well-suited for advanced learners, professionals, and developers who need reliable power and future-ready performance in a portable form. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Laptop to Learn Coding. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook is a simple and efficient choice for learners focused on web-based coding and cloud tools. Its Intel Celeron N4500 processor provides smooth performance for everyday tasks, such as coding in online editors, browsing documentation, and attending virtual classes. The 15.6-inch Full HD display offers crisp visuals and ample screen space, which is helpful for viewing code alongside tutorials or
references. With 64 gigabytes of GeMMC storage, it is best suited for users who rely on cloud storage and lightweight applications rather than large local files. Connectivity options like USB-A and USB-C ports add flexibility for peripherals and accessories. One of its strongest points is the long battery life, offering up to 10 hours of usage, making it ideal for students who need all-day reliability. Overall, the IdeaPad 3i Chromebook is a good option for beginners learning coding basics, especially those working primarily in browser-based environments.
Number 5. Dell 1334U laptop to learn coding. The Dell 1334U laptop is a dependable, everyday machine designed to support learning and productivity with comfort and efficiency. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, it offers smooth performance for coding tasks, multitasking, and running development tools without noticeable slowdowns. Its design focuses on user comfort, featuring Dell Comfort View technology that reduces blue light exposure, making long coding sessions easier on the eyes. Energy-efficient battery performance and fast charging support allow users to stay productive without frequent interruptions. The overall build feels solid and practical, suitable for students and professionals alike. This laptop is a good choice for learners who want a reliable, well-balanced system capable of handling both coding practice and everyday computing tasks with consistent performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.